Hi everyone and welcome to Smart Culture Education. This is the place where we make learning simple, clear and engaging. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe so you can join us on this journey of mastering maths, science and more.
Let's have a look at this first question. Find the value of 75 minus 3m when m is equal to 10. We have an expression 75 minus 3m and we are told that m equals 10. That means wherever we see m, we are going to replace it with 10. So let's see what this expression will become. So 75 minus 3m will become 75 minus 3 multiplied by 10. Now we are going to work it out step by step. So 3 times 10 is equal to 30. So this becomes 75 minus 30. And what is 75 minus 30? 75 minus 30 is equal to 45. So the final answer is equal to 45. And this question counted 1 mark.
Thank you for watching today's video on Smart Culture Education. If you found it helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to stay updated, tap the notification bell so you never miss our next lesson. See you in the next video.